Did you know humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas? The genetic surprise. You might feel special, but half your DNA is identical to a banana. That's right. 50% of your genetic code matches a fruit you peel for breakfast. DNA is life's blueprint, and all living things share some of it. Bananas and humans both need cells to function, so we overlap in basic biological processes. But don't worry, you won't turn yellow. The shared DNA is mostly for housekeeping tasks like building proteins or repairing cells. The other 50%? That's what makes you human, not a banana. For comparison, we share 98% of our DNA with chimpanzees. That 2% difference is why they swing from trees and we build smartphones. Genetics is full of surprises. Even mice share about 90% of our DNA. It's not about looking alike. It's about how life solves problems with similar tools. So next time you eat a banana, remember, you're cousins on the tree of life. Like, subscribe and stay curious.